Hey cousins, welcome back to our series on imposter syndrome. I'm Kai from Created for Purpose, and today we're exploring how imposter syndrome impacts daily life. Imposter syndrome can have a profound effect on your mental health and overall well-being. It often leads to chronic stress and anxiety as you constantly worry about being found out or not meeting expectations. This persistent stress can affect your sleep, your focus, and even your physical health. In the workplace, imposter syndrome can cause you to overwork and take on more than you can handle. You might feel the need to prove yourself constantly, leading to burnout. This can also hinder your professional growth, as you might avoid seeking new opportunities or promotions due to fear of failure. In personal relationships, imposter syndrome can make you feel unworthy of love and support. You might struggle with feelings of inadequacy, believing that your friends and family will see through your facade and reject you. This can create a barrier to forming deep and meaningful connections. Moreover, imposter syndrome can lead to a cycle of self-sabotage. When you believe you're a fraud, you might unconsciously act in ways that reinforce this belief. For example, you might avoid taking credit for your work, downplay your achievements, or shy away from challenges. To break this cycle, it's important to practice self-awareness and self-compassion. Start by acknowledging your feelings and recognizing that they are not a reflection of your true abilities. Celebrate your successes no matter how small they seem, and remind yourself that you are capable and deserving. Share your thoughts on how imposter syndrome has affected your daily life in the comments below. Your experiences can help others feel less alone. And remember, there's a free download link in the description with more information and resources on imposter syndrome. It's a great tool to help you navigate these challenges. See you tomorrow for another insightful session.